Now we will demonstrate the application of TENA Stretch Briefs on a person reclining in bed. Unfasten the wide blue hook fastener and immediately fold them closed so they do not touch the skin of the wearer. Roll the individual on his or her side. Remove the soiled brief by gently pulling it from the back. Follow your care center protocol for perineal care. With the individual on his or her side, spread a clean brief flat on the bed. Position the individual onto the brief and unfold the stretch side panels. Pull on the brief firmly. First pull out, then pull up. With males, always point the penis down. Pull out the breathable stretch side panel so the brief sits snugly and tightly against the body. Unfold the blue hook fasteners and then fasten the hook fasteners by pressing them into the soft cloth-like back cover. Give a slight tug to engage the hooks in the back cover fibers. Ensure a snug fit around the thighs and waist. Adjust the briefs by pulling the folds of the inner thigh down and fitting the brief into the groin. Run your finger inside the curved leg elastics to make sure none of the moisture-proof lining is turned in.